In at 172. Brian Glundles Underwood. In this corner, hailing from Fairfield, Connecticut, 6 foot tall, weighing in at 160 pounds.
So skinny.
Chris Sea Monkey Morton.
Sea Money.
Yeah. Today we have a half watermelon that will be consumed in 5 minutes apparently.
5 minutes.
That's the over/under. The rules. Each competitor gets half a watermelon. They have to eat all the red in the watermelon. The competition will not end until the whole watermelon is eaten. They cannot break it.
Wait.
I think I just decided that.
No hands, no hands.
You gotta use hands.
What do you mean no hand?
Now, to decide which half of the watermelon will be given to which competitor, they will play rock, paper, scissors. The winner of rock, paper, scissors will get to choose which side of the watermelon will be eaten. Ready?
It's 1, 2, 3, shoot.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
1, 2, just one.
Just one and done.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Oh, Simon.
Oh man. Alright, come from behind though. It's like supermarket sweet. Brian's got an extra 30 seconds.
Alright. I want to time this because I'm curious to see how.
Yeah, you want to get into the exact like Swiss time.
You want a headshot?
Take my glasses off.
Alright. Ready? Exactly at high noon, actually. And go! Come on, Brian!
Simo, what's wrong with you?
You're supposed to encourage them.
Go, Simo!
You're dripping all over the place.
Brian, you're just
the ground and he is in the
Wow,
by far.
Oh, Brian, you gotta
eat that.
You gotta eat the stuff on the ground, Brian.
You just pop out.
You still have your live talk.
Go, Simo!
No red left, remember. No
Brian
red.
is like going into with his face.
Dig deep, you gotta want it.
Come on, get your second win now, Simo.
Yeah, don't hit the wall.
I need to take some pictures, I forgot.
That's a sound.
Wow, Brian.
That was disgusting.
Aaron, remember that email you sent out about watermelon being an aphrodisiac?
Medically proven.
How do you get it?
Oh
I think they might have to be allowed to break.
Yeah, I think breaking is allowed.
Alright.
Breaking is allowed.
It's allowed.
On your forehead.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
No spinning.
No red now. No red.
Wait, I thought they have to eat the whole.
They do. He's not done with that piece.
Simo is still going strong.
Wow, it's